Do you know of any school within India or outside that teaches networking as a science, as a subject?
No.
Do you know of any business school?
No.
So, how will people learn?
And by networking, strategic relationship building.
I felt a connection to the idea of networking, to the idea of relationships that day.
अभी आज की डेट में मैं देखती हूँ जो भी लोग नेटवर्किंग इवेंट्स में जा रहे हैं, they are just posting pictures, they're going there for the heck of going that, hey, I attended that event, this was my learning, this is whom I met. So have you seen any changes in the trends?
I don't think anybody gets up in the morning and says कि मुझे आज अपना टाइम वेस्ट करना है, मैं कोई इवेंट अटेंड करके फोटो डालूंगा and I'll pretend to be this, that, etc. नहीं. When you're networking, you're supposed to have those blinders. घोड़े को लगते हैं ना?
But how have you chosen this niche and how you've beautifully crafted this कि you're able to say कि networking is so important for founders? वो वाला आपने dynamics framework कैसे innovate किया? Hi everyone. So I'm back with yet another exciting episode on the Founders Game. But today we are not going to play any game because the person I have with me is the master of all the games any founder would want to play. He's none other than India's only advisory on trust, access, and strategic relationships. Mr. Paritosh Pathak. Welcome to the show, Paritosh. How have you been?
I'm very well. Thank you so much. Good to be here.
Before we start to the podcast and I shoot questions onto you, I want to know you as a person because I researched a lot about you. I could read about the work you do, the kind of communities and network you're building, but I couldn't really know how are you as a person.
Okay, what do you want to know? Fire away. Tell me.
Okay, which sport do you play?
Okay, sport, badminton with my daughter these days.
When you are not working, what do you do?
I'm never not working, so I can't answer that question.
Why is that so?
I think it's just that stage of life right now where so much has become possible that there isn't enough hours in the day to accomplish it all. So I'm trying my best to do as much as I can. Yeah.
And why networking, strategic relationship building?
Okay, so I never chose this. I never wanted to become a trainer coach. I was on my way. I used to be a forensics consultant with KPMG in Bombay. Made a friend. He used to run an organization called BNI. One day I asked him, "Tu karta kya hai?" He tried explaining. Nahi samajh aaya. Went and saw a meeting. Fell in love, and from there the entire direction changed. I felt a connection to the idea of networking, to the idea of relationships that day. I'm grateful that I had the guts to take the courage to take the next step and go into that direction. Otherwise, I would have been still working at KPMG, I believe. Won't have been too bad, but I think I'm happier here.
I think it's interesting to know about it because networking आजकल हर कोई करता है. We've been grown up hearing that we are all social animals. हर कोई जहाँ जाता है रिश्तेदारी निकालता है बात करते हैं. But how have you chosen this niche and how you've beautifully crafted this कि you're able to say कि networking is so important for founders. वो वाला आपने dynamics framework कैसे innovate किया?
So, Herman, it happened over a decade and a half, right? When it started, मजबूरी थी जब ये काम शुरू किया था कि लाइफ में कुछ हुआ था ऐसा कि कुछ करना था. So this felt like the easiest thing to do, right? And this beats all the traditional advice ki pursue that you have passion towards, right? Do what you're good at. I wasn't good at this. I didn't have a passion for it. It was just convenient at a stage to do this. I started और मुझे उस टाइम पता था कि ये ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं चलेगा. थोड़े दिन करूँगा, दुनिया में लोग हैं, बस उनको ये ना लगे कि नौकरी नहीं है, कुछ नहीं है. तो उस सिचुएशन में शुरू किया था. And I was surprised to realize myself that I can do this. There is a science to it. It can be taught as a skill. करीबन 4-5 साल लगे थे ये फिगर आउट करने में. तब तक तो सर्वाइवल के लिए चल रहा था. And it just happens. So it's one of those things. Sometimes I say this thing that life is trying to take you somewhere. Your only job is to not come in the way. Right? So that's been my story. I wish मेरे पास ऐसे कोई glamorous answer होता तुम्हें देने के लिए कि ये ऐसे build हुआ वैसे build हुआ. But this is the brutal honest truth. that what I'm doing is purely an accident. It was survival instinct kicking in कि life में कुछ करना है. This felt like the easiest thing to do. Right? कर दिया शुरू. आज 15 साल हो गए. Right?
15 years. Quite a long journey.
Yeah.
Have you seen any trends changing in these 15 years, especially after social media has taken off? Because अभी आज की डेट में मैं देखती हूँ जो भी लोग networking events में जा रहे हैं, they are just posting pictures. They're going there for the heck of going. That hey, I attended that event. This was my learning. This is whom I met. So, have you seen any changes in the trends?
So there's been an uptake in what you're saying, that people are going to events, they're posting pictures, etc. But I have a different take on this uptake of trend. Or what take here? The reason I've observed people do this is because they think this is the right thing to do. Right? They're not trying to show off to the world. They're not trying to waste their time. I don't think anybody gets up in the morning and says कि मुझे आज अपना time waste करना है. मैं कोई event attend करके photo डालूंगा and I'll pretend to be this, that, etc. नहीं, नहीं. अब ये देखो, let's look at it at a fundamental level. Do you know of any school within India or outside that teaches networking as a science, as a subject?
No.
Do you know of any business school?
No.
No, right. So, how will people learn? Where will they learn from? लोग कैसे सीख रहे हैं मैं बताता हूँ. कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ सोशल प्रूफ. एक स्टेज आता है बिजनेस का जहाँ पे लोग कहना शुरू करते हैं कि भाई नेटवर्किंग जरूर, नेटवर्किंग बिजनेस चाहिए, नेटवर्किंग. ठीक है, नेटवर्किंग कभी करी नहीं तो इवेंट अटेंड कर लिया. वहां जाके क्या देखा, लोग आ रहे हैं, बिजनेस कार्ड दे रहे हैं, अपना एलिवेटर पिच दे रहे हैं और सेल कर रहे हैं. जब हर बंदा ऐसे नेटवर्क कर रहा है तो जो नया व्यक्ति गया उसे लगता है अच्छा ऐसे करते हैं नेटवर्किंग. And he also starts doing the same way. So this is how people are learning. To the best of my knowledge, well, अब नहीं बोल सकता, but until a couple of months ago, I think I was the only person in the country training coaching doing this. I did a webinar, I think 2-3 months back, and first time somebody shared that I'm a networking coach there. So अब मेरा एक claim खत्म हो गया है that I'm the only one. Okay. But अगर एक country में दो भी लोग हैं, in a country of what, 8 billion people, no, planet of 8 billion people, and a country of 1 point some billion people, अगर दो लोग करा रहे हैं, कैसे सीखेंगे लोग? So लोगों को साइंस सिखाया जा रहा है, बिजनेस सिखाया जा रहा है, इकोनॉमिक्स सिखाया जा रहा है, मार्केटिंग सिखाई जा रही है, सेल्स सिखाया जा रहा है, लीडरशिप सिखाई जा रही है. But eventually everything works on relationships.
Yeah.
This is the foundation जो दिखती नहीं है. बिल्डिंग के नीचे जो फाउंडेशन होती है, ट्रीज के नीचे जो रूट्स होते हैं, that is relationships. It's not visible. Because it's not visible, our education system is not caught on to it yet. And if there's anyone watching from the education system, please kuch karo. Okay?
Yes.
And because people are not learning this, randomly jo jaake jo log best na kar pa rahe ho, Harmandeep, they're probably doing the least worst they can. And the trend that you're seeing, people posting pictures, etc., trust me, they're just trying to do the right thing. They're not out there wasting their time. And that's the trend I'm seeing. It's not going down, it's increasing. But I also understand why it's increasing.
But do you think these connections are really meaningful connections? मतलब अगर मैंने एक बार किसी से मिला, उसके साथ पिक्चर क्लिक करके Instagram पे डाल दिया, I might stay in touch, I might like a few stories of theirs. But is that going to lead anywhere? मतलब मुझे, when I said that the trend is changing, I meant was that the connections that people are creating these days are very superficial, just for the heck of doing. That's what I've observed in all these years. You would know better.
So let's define these days. If you're talking about 2 generations before us and now, yes.
Maybe I would say pre-COVID and post-COVID.
नहीं, pre-COVID भी ऐसा ही था, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. It's not changed. It's exactly same. Pre-COVID भी लोग superficial relationships ही build कर रहे थे. Again, this is not a judgment. I stand by what I said. People are doing that because that's what they think they're supposed to do. The moment they realize that, oh, there's a better way, they stop doing that. I've seen that transition happening.
True.
Okay? But yes, अगर हम 2 generation पहले बात करें, मेरे दादाजी के time की बात करें, oh, the way relationships were built at that time, so different.
Yes.
Right? But since India has started to become a developing state, and जैसे पहले कुछ लोगों को लगे मैं इंडिया को शो डाउन कर रहा हूँ, इंडिया की कोई गलती बता रहा हूँ, none of that. It's a trend. Any economy that starts to grow, right? People try and shift their behavior, right? And when people don't have the right education, they don't have the right knowledge. That's it. So India is a growth story right now. India is growing significantly, massively, and it's going to do that for touch wood, I hope for many, many years to come, right? So the more economic opportunities that will show up, the more such trends you will see. और ये trends कोई networking के नहीं है. आप coaching में ले लो, right? There's so many coaches now available today. आज अभी से 5 साल पहले, 15 साल पहले जब मैंने शुरू करा था, coaching was barely a term, right? आज बहुत सारे हैं. आप marketing में ले लो. There's so many marketing courses out there. There's so many marketing philosophies out there. So it's happening across, right? And this is a trend that happens when an economy starts to grow rapidly, opportunities increase significantly, and these are some of the patterns that go along with that. When you combine that with up marketing की sales की बात करो, बहुत सारे लोग हैं सिखाने वाले. I come back to the same point. Networking सिखाने वाले लोग हैं नहीं. What do you expect people to do?
So let's come to the source. आपने बोला कि जहाँ लोग network करते हैं, they go to the event, so whatever they learn, they believe that that's how networking is done. So let's come to that source. I have myself attended a few networking events in last few months. What I've observed is that those events or the pattern that those events come up with, it's like creating a kind of a cult, maybe.
No, these are not cults, right? Again, I've been associated with some of these platforms. I know which one you're talking about. And I've had a very close relationship with that. And I know it's a damn good platform. The intention, the research, the science behind that is very important. But I'm not going to defend that. वो मेरा काम नहीं है यहाँ पे. Right? मैं बोलूँगा, आपको क्या फर्क पड़ता है? Clear. I'll give you this one story. Okay? Since you're not taking the name of the platform, I'm not going to take the name of the person. But there's a rock solid guy. He's based in Noida. If he's watching, he'll know I'm talking about him. I went to his office. That was the time I was associated with an organization called BNI. उनका franchise था मेरे पास. एक बंदे को मैं लेने गया, onboard करने गया. Corporate gifting में है, ठीक है. His name is Gaurav Bhagat now. Since I've taken the name, I'll tell you the name of the person as well. He's in corporate gifting, and his office was so small at that point in time कि रास्ते में boxes रखे हुए थे, and I had to step over the boxes to go sit and talk to him to onboard him. This guy is such an amazing networker, right? That from there, today he's got multiple buildings. He's going so many places. He's achieved so many milestones, all because of this platform. He leveraged it the right way. When you're networking, you're supposed to have those blinders. घोड़े के लगते हैं ना, right? इधर नहीं देखना, उधर नहीं देखना. आपका काम, और ये business में आपका काम है, not just networking. Don't look at what's happening here and there. Your job is to go, create opportunities for yourself, come back. And if there is business happening on a platform, just go do business. इससे नहीं फर्क पड़ना चाहिए आपको. ना मैं इसको defend करूंगा, ना मैं आपसे agree करूंगा, ना मैं disagree करूंगा. Simple conversation. You're an entrepreneur.
Yeah.
You want to grow your business.
Of course.
Grow your business. बात खत्म.
So then probably, okay. See, the point is कि हम लोग यहाँ पे networking की बात कर रहे हैं, networking के frameworks की बात कर रहे हैं. So in that case, if we are going to make things so agenda driven, then are we even doing the right type of conversations?
आपको business चाहिए ना?
Of course, business
तो
चाहिए.
एजेंडा तो है. प्रॉब्लम किधर है? मुझे आपका क्वेश्चन बताओ. आपके क्वेश्चन में गैप है. You want to do business and you've got problem with agenda. इशू किधर है? पूछना क्या चाह रहे हो?
मैं पूछना ये चाह रही हूँ because I heard in one of your podcasts where you clearly mentioned that if any conversation or if you're going to any networking event and you're having an agenda on your mind, then you're already having a pressure of it.
अब मुझे समझ आया
So
आपका
then
कहाँ
when
से.
I'm trying to relate
Okay,
it to a networking
let me help.
event,
Okay,
then
ठीक है.
agenda तो already है, तो फिर हम उसको मतलब हम खुद ही एक ही statement में दो अलग-अलग बातें कर रहे हैं.
अच्छा किया तुमने बोल दिया, नहीं तो एक घंटा ना हम इसी पे आर्ग्यू कर रहे होते. Right. So देखो, these are two different things. One, you're talking about a structured platform. Structured platform. अब जैसे I've come to this podcast, there is an agenda, right? There's a structure to it. You're sitting there, I'm sitting here, the camera's here, right? There's a way you will introduce myself. You'll ask questions, I will answer. Structure है. So that platform is following a structure. That is different from what you're asking. What you're asking is कि अगर आप किसी से बात कर रहे हो, तो आपके माइंड में एजेंडा होना चाहिए नहीं. उसमें नहीं. Let me help you understand. Let's say I come to a networking event where I meet you. And I bring out my business card and I give it to you. And I say, hi, Armandeep. I am an advisor on Trust Access Networking. I run programs. I teach people business networking. You're a business owner. You should come. We've done this. We've done that. Oh, you're in this business. So many people from blah, 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 blah. the more I do this, the more defensive you will get.
Exactly.
Right.
Very well said. Yeah.
Look, right? उस केस में मुझे नहीं करना है. उस केस में what I'm supposed to do is approach you, talk to you about you. Not really think, oh, target audience, oh, sell करो. वो गलत है. बट वो एक नेटवर्किंग रूम में, कॉन्फ्रेंस के इवेंट में, एक फ्लाइट में हो सकता है, ठीक है, शॉपिंग मॉल में आप किसी से मिले हो, उनसे हो सकता है. दोज आर द प्लेसेस. दैट इज डिफरेंट फ्रॉम स्ट्रक्चर्ड नेटवर्किंग. सो अगर आप प्लेटफॉर्म की बात नहीं करोगे, आई एग्री टू व्हाट यू सेइंग. बट इफ यू टॉकिंग अबाउट अ प्लेटफॉर्म, स्ट्रक्चर है, एंड स्ट्रक्चर्स आर रिक्वायर्ड. आपका बिजनेस स्ट्रक्चर पे चलता है. एम्प्लॉयज के आने का टाइम होता है, जाने का टाइम होता है, उनका सैलरी का टाइम होता है. स्ट्रक्चर होता है. स्ट्रक्चर से मुझे प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. Right. हाँ, अगर आप और मैं randomly मिले and you come to me and you start selling to me, जो कि आज भी बहुत होता है, and it is painful to bear that, right? Because you can tell the person just wants to sell, nothing else. वो painful है, absolutely yes, and that is not networking. वो हमने networking को एक tool बना दिया है hidden selling करने का. When I'm doing that, when I'm giving you my card and I'm giving you all the pitch, I'm pretending that I'm not selling, but I am.
So how do you then differentiate कि यहाँ पे networking ऐसे करनी है, यहाँ पे networking ऐसे करनी है, or I mean, there's just one framework that applies to every kind of networking.
Levels matter. आप जिस level पे हो entrepreneurship के, उस level का अलग तरीका होता है. So for early to mid stage entrepreneurs, there's a certain way to network. From mid to large stage, late stage businesses, the way of networking completely changes. The stage matters. When you're in early stages, you need to be meeting more and more people, right? And you need to be spending more time, and you need to be adding a lot of value, gaining the trust of the people. When you cross a certain stage, the rules reverse हो जाते हैं. You have to meet lesser number of people, but higher quality people. Right? At that time, trust matters at a different way. So, until a certain level, there is only one way of networking. Meet people, build high value relationships, don't sell prematurely, earn their trust, right? And from there, opportunities happen.
So, okay, I get what you're trying to say. So, can we, in a way, also say that since we have a structure, so we are kind of influencing a conversation, influencing the other person? Is there any kind of manipulation?
Manipulation nahi, influence absolutely yes, and there's nothing wrong with that. So लोग manipulate भी करते हैं, which is not okay. But if I'm talking to you and if I'm using a system to talk to you, right, that is not manipulation. I'll give you an example. So what we teach to so we've got both kind of students, like a certain stage below and a certain stage above. So the first example, where the certain stage and below, we teach people that add a lot of value to someone. So now, अगर मैं आपसे मिल रहा हूं और आपके वर्ल्ड में वैल्यू ऐड कर रहा हूं, और वैल्यू ऐड करके मैं ये देख रहा हूं कि क्या आप मेरे से बिजनेस कर सकते हो या क्या आप मेरे को किसी को रेफर कर सकते हो, इज दिस मैनिपुलेशन?
No.
राइट? लेकिन मैं यहां आके बड़े बड़े प्रोमिसेस कर रहा हूं, अरे यार मनदीप, मैं तुम्हें उनसे मिलवा दूंगा, आ जाओ, मेरे तो इतने स्टूडेंट्स हैं, आ जाओ मेरा कोर्स कर दो, एंड मेरी इंटेंशन नहीं है वो मैनिपुलेशन है. राइट? आई वांट यू टू अंडरस्टैंड वन थिंग. सही काम को करने के भी गलत तरीके होते हैं. देयर आर ऑलवेज रॉन्ग वेज टू डू द राइट थिंग. Doing networking is absolutely the right thing.
Of course.
But there are always wrong ways to do it. And doing marketing is absolutely the right thing. There are always wrong ways to do that. Doing a podcast is the right thing. There are always wrong ways to do that. So हम बेचारी नेटवर्किंग को अकेले को क्यों कटघरे में खड़े कर रहे हैं?
क्योंकि अभी मेरे पास नेटवर्किंग कोच है ना. तो of course I'm going to understand
I get that. I'm just joking. Yeah.
Of course.
Right.
And networking मेरे लिए वैसे भी on a personal level is so important because for last 35 years of my journey, I have never spoken to anyone. किसी से भी मैं बात करती थी तो लाइक कैसे हो, सब ठीक है, how's life, that's it. I had friends, but वो friends were limited to चलो let's go out, have fun, घुमाते हैं, पार्टी कर लेते हैं, then back to work. मुझे नहीं लगता कि किसी भी मेरे फ्रेंड को या मुझे किसी के बारे में कुछ भी पता what's happening in their personal life. We have never connected with anyone. So when we were starting our own business, me and my husband were like, यार हमें क्लाइंट्स कहाँ से मिलेंगे, हम किसी को नहीं जानते, किसी से कभी बात नहीं किया, तो दैट्स व्हेन इट वाज लाइक अच्छा नेटवर्किंग तो इतनी इम्पोर्टेंट थी। और
बिल्कुल।
एंड थैंकफुली हम लोगों ने शायद अच्छा काम किया होगा अपने करियर्स में कि व्हेन पीपल गॉट टू नो दैट वी हैव स्टार्टेड वर्किंग, तो दे स्टार्टेड कनेक्टिंग कि चलो वर्क फॉर अस, देन दे स्टार्टेड रिकमेंडिंग अस. There were few people who were just recommending us like crazy, and we were like, why is he doing that? How can it be so good to be true? That's when we realize the power of networking. That's when we realize, जो आपने कहा ना कि पहले वैल्यू दो तो फिर आपको वैल्यू मिलेगी, तो ये सब कहानियां समझ में आई. एंड दैट्स व्हेन आई गॉट टू नो अबाउट यू आल्सो, दैट यू स्टार्ट टीचिंग अबाउट नेटवर्किंग. तो जितना ये सुनने में अच्छा लगता है उतना ही मुझे लगता है कि इट्स वेरी ट्रिकी ऑल्सो, बिकॉज कहीं ना कहीं ये फ्रेमवर्क समझने के बाद मुझे लगा कि यार ये मैनिपुलेशन तो है. So is that intentional? I mean, if are we really building intentional relationships, or we are just manipulating people? तो वो मेरे लिए अभी भी to bifurcate that and to bifurcate
Absolutely.
कि
देखो,
which area, which segment में how I have to be.
नेटवर्किंग को लेके ये टैबूज बन चुके हैं दुनिया में. Right. I read somewhere many years ago that women find networking dirty. Dirty as in it's about smooching people, right? Trying to do good talk, trying to get something out of them. ये perception बन चुके हैं, and I'm not going to deny that. ये है. But क्या real networking ये है? Absolutely not.
So then what is real networking?
Real networking, okay, दो words में divide कर दो. एक word है, उसे बीच में से काट दो. Networking. Your network working for you. Fine. Networking है कि आप अपने आसपास ऐसे relationships build करो कि लोग चाहें कि वो आपको सही लोगों से मिलवाएं. ये इवेंट्स पे जाके लोगों से मिलना, कार्ड एक्सचेंज करना इज नॉट नेटवर्किंग. वो वैल्यूबल है, उसमें गलत नहीं है कुछ. हाँ, उसे लोग गलत तरीके से करते हैं, बट उसमें कुछ गलत नहीं है. बट इफ यू ट्रूली वांट टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट नेटवर्किंग इज, यू आर नेटवर्किंग द डे यू हैव अ नेटवर्क दैट इज विलिंग टू वर्क फॉर यू. अगर आपको क्लाइंट्स चाहिए, द पीपल हु आर विलिंग टू मेक इंट्रोडक्शंस फॉर यू, वो नेटवर्किंग है. अगर आपको मेडिकल हेल्प चाहिए, द पीपल हु आर विलिंग टू मेक दैट पॉसिबल फॉर यू. अगर आपको फ्रेंड्स चाहिए, देन द पीपल फॉर दैट. उसका नाम है नेटवर्किंग. और उसको बिल्ड करने के लिए हरमनदीप, हमें पहले देना होता है. इन रियल नेटवर्किंग you first give before you take. And also another rule is that in real kind of networking, I will give to you but may get from him.
I agree.
There is no rule कि मैं तुम्हें दूंगा और मेरे को तुमसे ही मिलेगा. Because slowly what happens is, let's say I added value in your life, right? And you spoke with her. अरे यार Paritosh से मिला, Paritosh helped, he did this and she heard about Paritosh, right? And then next time she was talking to her and she was talking to him and he got to know Paritosh. And by that time, she has forgotten who told her about Paritosh. And one day he's searching on Google Paritosh and he sees Paritosh की workshop हो रही है. वो आ गया. फिर मैं उनसे पूछूंगा, तुम कहाँ से आए मेरे workshop में? Like, पता नहीं यार, किसी ने बताया. Problem तब हो जाती है where I add value in your word and I expect कि यार मैं हरमनदीप के podcast पे आया, मैंने उसे time दिया अपना. Now what is she doing for me? That's where the problem comes in.
That's where transactions come.
Yes, that's where expectation comes in. Right? So, but imagine this: if I meet you and I try and add value in your world, and you'll get to know whether I'm being genuine or not. सबको दिखता है, right? We were discussing this earlier. सबको सबका सच दिखता है, ठीक है? And you can tell that I genuinely tried to add value. So next time when you meet, you'll meet me with a lot of openness.
Of course.
And if somebody's standing next to you, you'll also introduce me to that person kindly. Right? And this person could end up becoming my biggest client ever. But ये होने में एक हफ्ता भी लग सकता है, एक साल भी लग सकता है, 5 साल भी लग सकते हैं. वो लगता है. Right? Business build करने में time लगता है. Right? The real networking is about building a network. Right? And unfortunately हमारे आसपास बहुत अच्छे लोग हैं जिनके साथ हम टच में नहीं रहते हैं. और घूम फिर के रीजन वही आता है क्योंकि लोग ये इसलिए नहीं करते कि किसी ने उन्हें सिखाया नहीं, बैठा के उन्हें बताया नहीं कि अच्छे लोगों से मिलते रहो, जुड़े भी रहना है. ये गैप है.
मुझे ना एक गैप और लगता है, एंड यू कैन करेक्ट मी इफ आई एम थिंकिंग इट राइट, मुझे ऐसा लगता है व्हेन समबडी बिकम्स अ फाउंडर ही कैरीज दैट बैगेज कि मुझे तो सब कुछ अकेले ही फिगर आउट करना है, आई एम ऑल बाय माई सेल्फ. I see so many reels on social media that when you become a founder, be ready to be alone, stressed alone. But ऐसा नहीं है. Once you are able to shell off your ego and ask for help, you'll realize that so many people around you are ready to help, who are ready to add value to your life. Just become a part of your journey. And I have one amazing person sitting here only. We were in some crisis and I just messaged him that I need your help. And he was like, okay, I'm there for you. तो मुझे लगता है शायद पीपल कैरी दैट बैगेज ऑल्सो कि यार मुझे किसी की हेल्प नहीं चाहिए, मुझे खुद ही करना है. डू यू थिंक ये भी कहीं पे एक बैरियर बनता है टू नेटवर्क इन द राइट वे और टू आस्क फॉर हेल्प?
When you take a lie and you shout it with extreme confidence, people will believe you. So all these Instagram reels, videos, etc. जिनकी आप बात कर रहे हो, what's the source? What's the validity?
नो.
Right. You're alone if you're choosing to be alone. That's it. That's the end of it. Anybody who's watching, if you think as a business owner you're alone, that's because you're choosing. You're not going out. You're not stepping out. You're not meeting people. There are good people in the world. दुनिया इसीलिए चल रही है क्योंकि दुनिया में अच्छे लोग हैं. Right? हैं. Right? आपस में value exchange हो रही है. Sometimes that value is a product and money. Sometimes that value is a good conversation. Sometimes that value is something else. Right? If somebody is feeling alone, they're choosing to be alone. As simple as that. There are enough people out there in the world. Challenge here, it is difficult in the beginning. So if somebody is feeling alone right now, और मैं जाके उन्हें मोटिवेशन भी दे दूंगा, तुम चाहो तो तुम कर सकते हो, ये कर सकते हो, वो नहीं काम करता because the person doesn't know how do I begin?
Yeah.
Where do I go?
I
Right?
agree.
Who do I talk to? And like anything in the world, the first couple of attempts are more likely to fail.
Yeah.
Anything that you start is harder in the beginning.
Of
आप
course.
गाड़ी चलाना चाह रहे थे, स्टार्टिंग में हार्ड था. आप साइकिलिंग सीखना चाह रहे थे, स्टार्टिंग में हार्ड था. आप स्विमिंग सीखना चाह रहे थे, स्टार्टिंग में हार्ड थी. Right? Anything that you're trying. So not being alone is also hard in the beginning. If you don't give up, it'll work out. But I understand why people feel alone. I get that. Right? ये जो true essence है ना इसका, जहाँ से conversation start हुआ था, if you're choosing to become an entrepreneur, be willing to be alone. What it means is कि majority लोग जिनके साथ आप रोजमर्रा में टाइम बिताओगे वो आपका दर्द नहीं समझ पाएंगे. इसका मतलब ये था. हम इसको कहाँ ले गए हैं?
Exactly.
कुछ और डायरेक्शन में ले गए. ठीक है? आपके एम्प्लॉइज नहीं समझ पाएंगे आप कितना रिस्क लेके आपने काम शुरू करा है, और उनको समझने की जरूरत भी नहीं है.
Of course.
उनका काम भी नहीं है. सो हम उनसे एक्सपेक्ट भी नहीं कर रहे कि वो समझे. आपके घर वाले नहीं समझ पाएंगे, आपके सिबलिंग्स नहीं समझ पाएंगे अगर वो सिमिलर जर्नी से नहीं गुजरे हैं. दैट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ इट. इसका मतलब ये नहीं है दैट यू विल बी अलोन इन लाइफ. इट सिंपली मींस you'll not have a lot of people who will be able to understand what you're going through. But there are people who will understand. Go meet those people.
And to what all levels you think networking is important? Like I said, like we were discussing, to get business. But is business the only sole objective of networking, or?
No, business is only 20%.
Okay. What else?
There's so much. Okay. Good friends. Advisors, which are very important. One of the most important category in your business, in your network, is having good advisors. People who can give you the right advice on what to do. Right? And often these advisors, or so-called mentors, advisors is still a paid relationship. Mentors की बात करें. A lot of mentors don't charge. They want to help people from the goodness of their heart. One of my most valuable people that I have massive amount of respect for is a gentleman called Navik Manot, who runs a company called QI Global, and he's my mentor. I talk to him. He always gives me time. I've known him for more than 10, 15 years. He's superbly successful, extremely smart, amazing networker, great leader. I'm a fan, you can tell. Right? मेरा fan boy movement started. In the last 10, 15 years, if I've ever reached out to him, and I've said, Navik, I need to pick your brain on this. He said, right? That's a very important category, right? There's so many. You want to hire people, networking is a great tool. You want to retain people, building relationships is a great tool. Right? So many places. Again, ये business stage dependent है. So यहाँ पे I can give you all use cases of networking, but if the audience is not at that stage, they'll not relate to this.
So let's talk about entrepreneurs like me who are maybe a couple of years into this journey. So हमारे लिए what should be the networking rules and the style of networking we should follow?
One simple thing, stop sitting in office. Your business will not grow if you're sitting in office. Right? आपका काम है बाहर जाना, ठीक है? एक vision लेना, going out, finding people who can help you fulfill that vision, bring them into your team. Then go find people who can support that vision, make them your mentors. Then find people who need your product and services, make them your clients. Right? Then find people who believe in you, so that they can introduce you to even more valuable people, clients, mentors, etc. Right? If you are an early stage business owner, and अब ये challenging है क्योंकि early stage business owner को बहुत सारे काम अपने आप करने होते हैं, ठीक है? तो challenging है, and वही लोग जो इस challenge को transcend कर लेते हैं, एक glass ceiling तोड़ पाते हैं, बाकी लोग रुक जाते हैं, right? And that challenge is balancing all of this, ठीक है? And I understand, this is what I say, that I understand that you can't do a lot of networking. But my question is, are you doing as much as you can?
Yeah.
Right? And very few people will say yes to that.
No, I can actually vouch for it because 90% of my business is word of mouth. So I think networking is somewhere working, and that's why I think I was very keen to talk to you also, because I learned this very late in my life and it's working for me. And if I have to enhance this further, which can uplift my business, so I would definitely want to learn that. So which quick hacks for businesses like us?
Not hacks, I'll give you a science, and the science is extremely valuable. Take networking and divide it into 3 areas. Skill, system, strategy. ठीक है? Skill is everything internal. जो हमारे fears हैं, लोग मेरे पसंद करेंगे नहीं करेंगे, would, if I go and talk to someone, would that person want to talk to me or not? Right? Or how do you approach people, or how do you have a genuine conversation with someone? Right? All of that is skill. How to sell, when to sell, right? ये सब skill में आता है क्योंकि ये हमें अंदर सीखना होता है. तो अपने अंदर से, we talk about a fear of networking called KABA. This is the most famous one. Okay, KABA is छोटा आदमी बड़ा आदमी syndrome. जहाँ पे मैं अगर 10 करोड़ का हूँ, मेरे सामने कोई 500 करोड़ वाला आया, बड़ा आदमी आया, मैं छोटा फील करने आया, start behaving like a 2 करोड़ का है. ठीक है? या मैं 10 करोड़ का हूँ, मेरे सामने कोई 1 करोड़ वाला आया, start behaving like a 100 करोड़ का है, right? छोटा आदमी, बड़े आदमी के सामने मैं छोटा फील कर रहा हूँ, छोटा आदमी के सामने बड़ा फील कर रहा हूँ, उसको हम काबा कहते हैं. Right. Now, if I want to work with high value people in my life, and I do, but when I come in front of high value people and I'm not able to have a conversation, I will never work with them.
Yeah.
So सबसे पहला काम जो मेरे को नेटवर्किंग में करना है, वो बाहर जाके लोगों से नहीं मिलना है. वो मेरे को अंदर जाके खुद से मिलना है.
Right.
कि मैं किस चीज से डरता हूँ, क्यों डर रहा हूँ, and how do I manage that? जब तक ये सॉर्ट नहीं होगा, हरमंदी भूल जाओ आपके पास किस नेटवर्क का एक्सेस है, किस तरह के लोगों का एक्सेस है. Nothing is going to work.
Isn't this applicable to all areas of life rather than, I mean, not just networking?
It is, but since we're talking about
Of
networking, I'm
course.
focusing on that, right?
Yeah.
So that's number 1. Number 2 is system. System को हम कहते हैं existing network, everything existing. A lot of people don't realize कि उनका existing network इतना powerful है कि उनका orbit change कर सकता है.
I totally agree.
Right. एक छोटी सी exercise है, anybody who's watching, grab a paper pen, write down the names of the most valuable people that you know right now जिनको आप contact कर सकते हो. Right. और उनके आगे लिखो कि this person started to support you, what could happen in your business? And then ask yourself, why are you not going and meeting those people? Right? क्यों नहीं मिल रहे? क्योंकि फिर हमें डर लगता है, हम जाएंगे, हम अपने लिए जा रहे हैं सेल. मत जाओ, मिलो उनसे, चाय पियो, वैल्यू ऐड करो उनके लिए, करो. वो स्किल का इशू है. स्किल सॉर्ट होगा तो जाने का डर हटेगा. ठीक है? Then comes system, which is what we're discussing. अपने existing network को leverage करो. And third step, जो majority, even the most amazing networkers that I've seen in my life don't do, is strategy, which is building a future network. अभी से 5 साल बाद, 10 साल बाद आप किस तरह के लोगों के साथ काम करना चाहते हो, Start building those relationships today. अभी तो बिकॉज जब तक आप उतने बड़े नहीं हो जाओगे वो आपसे नहीं खरीदेंगे, वो नहीं खरीदेंगे तो आपके सभी बेचने के लिए कुछ उनके पास है ही नहीं। अगर बेचना नहीं है तो दैट मेक्स नेटवर्किंग अ लिटिल बिट इजियर. You can go talk to them, you can take advice, you can ask them to become your mentor, or just consistently show up with value in their world. Let them see you for 5 years, 10 years, doing good work. One day they will automatically call you.
Yeah.
Right? So, if you really want to understand networking, इसको इन 3 parts में divide कर दो. सबसे पहले खुद को sort करो, because मैं जो भी हूं, हम पहले ये डिस्कस कर रहे थे, मैं आके तुमसे बात कर रहा हूं तो मैं 5 मिनट में पता लग जाएगा, किसी को भी, मेरे को पता लग जाता है, किसी को पता लग जाएगा कि इस बंदे में कितना सच है. एंड आज की डेट में पीपल आर गिविंग देयर कार्ड्स, दे प्रिटेंडिंग विद बिग स्टोरीज एक्सेट्रा. एवरीबॉडी नोज कि कितना सच है. ठीक है, तो वो करना बंद करना है. ठीक है, ऑथेंटिक होना सही करना है, बिकॉज सामने वाले को दिख रहा है.
Of course.
राइट? एंड देन बात करो, वैल्यू ऐड करो, एंड लेट दैट रिलेशनशिप मैच्योर. देन ऑर्गेनाइज योर एग्जिस्टिंग नेटवर्क. बहुत पावरफुल है. ठीक है, उससे एक्टिवेट करो. आई एम सिटिंग हियर बिकॉज ऑफ योर एग्जिस्टिंग नेटवर्क, राइट? यू टोल्ड मी द स्टोरी एंड दैट्स हाउ आई एम हियर. ओके, नाउ एग्जिस्टिंग नेटवर्क को एक्टिवेट करो. एंड वंस दैट हैपेंस, देन यू हैव टू आस्क योरसेल्फ, ओके, 5 years, 10 years down the line, where do I want to be? What kind of people do I need to surround myself with? And go start shaking hands with those people.
And how do I reach to those kind of people?
Your existing network will make those introductions for you. How did you reach me? Right?
Yeah.
ऐसे ही होगा ना. लेकिन अगर बैठे रहेंगे, बाहर जाएंगे नहीं, और सिर्फ ये पॉडकास्ट सुनेंगे, उसके बाद अगला सुनेंगे, उसके बाद अगला सुनेंगे, और कुछ करेंगे नहीं, फिर तो कुछ होना नहीं ना. हम बाहर जाके फेल होने से डरते हैं, और फेल हुए बिना सक्सेस आनी नहीं है. अब बताओ क्या करना है. 8 billion people on the planet. Find me one who succeeded without failing. एक ढूंढ दो 8 billion में से. नहीं मिलेगा.
नहीं.
लोगों को डर लगता है, मुझे समझ आता है, लेकिन बैठे रहने से तो कुछ नहीं होगा. जाना तो पड़ेगा.
Of course. Tell me one more thing. Like, so I have started networking, and I'm sure आजकल जितना networking का craze बन रहा है, there are a lot of people who have started networking, but network करके किस तरीके से काम मांगना है? Is there a science there as well? Now, I'll tell you my apprehension. Like, if I am talking to you, I know I can add value to your life. I know कि मैं आपसे अच्छा business ले सकती हूँ या कर सकते हैं, but I don't think कि I will ever have that confidence कि मैं directly बोलूँ that I give me work or I want to work.
That's because you've not built that kind. Okay, so let me tell you this. कभी किसी को अगर सेल करना है, तो आपने सेल करने से पहले ये इंश्योर करना है कि उनका बैरियर डाउन है. ठीक है, आज तुम्हारा मेरा रिलेशनशिप इतना स्ट्रांग नहीं है कि अगर मैं तुम्हें बोलूं तुम मेरी वर्कशॉप कर लो, तुम विदाउट बैरियर उसे रिसीव करोगे, या तुम मेरे को बोलो कि परितोष मेरी सर्विसेज ले लो, मैं विदाउट, मेरे को एकदम से लगे अच्छा हरमनदीप ने मेरे को इसलिए बुलाया था, तुम्हें एकदम से लगा अच्छा परितोष इसलिए आया था, राइट? अब जब तक ये बैरियर डाउन नहीं होता है, आई एम नॉट सपोज्ड टू मेक यू एन ऑफर, वेदर आई एम सिटिंग ऑन योर पॉडकास्ट or I'm meeting you at a conference. The science is very simple, that lower the barrier of the person, then make an offer. कुछ relationships में it is possible कि आप networking event में, conference में किसी से मिले और 5-7 मिनट में उनका barrier down कर दो. It is possible. Some relationships will take months and years. They'll take that. But rule is very simple. If you're about to make an offer to someone, if I'm about to come to you and say, Arman, you're doing this, I think my program would be fantastic for you, Ajo, I have to first ask myself, if I make this offer to Harman right now, will her barriers go up? Agar uska answer yes hai, I'm not supposed to make that offer. And I'm supposed to ask myself, what do I do that Harman at least wants to hear me out? Whether she comes and does one of my program, that is completely secondary. But at least जब मैं बोलूं तो हरमन बोलेगी, okay परितोष आप कह रहे हो, I at least want to hear you out. Then I'm supposed to make that offer, and the way to do that is to add value.
But in okay, so ये तो उस केस में हुआ where we clear cut know that we can offer some kind of value directly. There could be cases कि कुछ ऐसा business है जहाँ पे आप direct value नहीं, I mean the services are not related to the other person. So उस
वैल्यू
case पे-
सर्विसेज से कनेक्टेड नहीं होती है. अगर मैं आज आपको जैसे मैं गौरव की बात कर रहा था, यू शुड टॉक टू गौरव एंड ही विल बी अ ग्रेट गाय फॉर यू टू हैव ऑन द पॉडकास्ट. आई विल मेक एन इंट्रोडक्शन फॉर यू. अब इसमें किधर सर्विस है?
You just said on camera, so next podcast.
हाँ हाँ, अरे बिल्कुल, absolutely. He's a damn good guy, and I'll get you an introduction. And I'm sure he'll be more than happy to come. Okay, and this guy is a rock solid networker, right? I'm to an academician, I'm a teacher. He's a practitioner, so damn good guy. I'm similar. अब मैं आपको अभी इस पॉडकास्ट के गौरव से कनेक्ट करा दूंगा. Okay, अब मुझे बताओ इसमें मैंने कौन सी सर्विस आपको ऑफर करी है? किसने बोला आपको कि वैल्यू
No,
क्रिएट?
I'm asking from the other ways. So, for example, you and I, we have some businesses which are not related in any way.
हाँ.
तो उस केस
The
में
value creation could be a book I recommend to you. The value creation could be a podcast channel I recommend to you. The value creation could be an introduction that I make for you. तुम्हारा मेरा बिजनेस डायरेक्टली रिलेटेड नहीं है. मैं ट्रेनिंग में हो, तुम मार्केटिंग में हो. These are two different. हाँ ठीक है. We might need each other's services. बट जो मैं गौरव से कनेक्ट करा रहा हूँ उसमें ना मैं अपनी सर्विस तुम्हें दे रहा हूँ ना तुम अपनी सर्विस मेरे को दे रहे हो. And I'm getting you connected. What if you are looking for some kind of doctor and I can make that connect? What if this someone in your family is looking to get their kids some advice or admission into a school and you could help me with that or I could help you with that? There's so many ways to add value. In fact, Harmandeep, जिस चीज के लिए मैं पैसे चार्ज करता हूं वो वैल्यू क्रिएशन नहीं होती है. बहुत सारे लोगों को लगता है और इस पे कंट्रोवर्सी स्टार्ट हो जाएगी. कमेंट्स देखना, ठीक है? ये जो बंदा यहां तक आ गया पॉडकास्ट में, ठीक है, वो कमेंट डालेगा ही डालेगा इसके ऊपर. अगर आप किसी से किसी चीज के पैसे ले रहे हो आप उनके लिए वैल्यू क्रिएट नहीं कर रहे.
What makes you say that?
आप वैल्यू क्रिएशन, आप तो सर्विस दे रहे हो ना. यू टेकिंग द मनी टू ऑफर अ सर्विस. हम अपने आप को ना झूठ बोलते हैं. ओ माय बिजनेस एड्स वैल्यू. हाँ ठीक है, आपका काम होता है. लोगों ने पैसे आपको दिए कि आप अपनी सर्विसेज उनको दो, उनको वैल्यू मिले. बट रियल वैल्यू क्रिएशन इज समथिंग दैट यू डोंट चार्ज फॉर. अब बताओ आप लोगों के वर्ड में कैसे वैल्यू ऐड कर सकते हैं? यू नो सम गुड पीपल,
Yeah,
you could introduce them,
of course.
right? You could recommend some good books to people. ठीक है? You can host a dinner where you can invite some good people and say, "Oh यार, बैठो मिलते हैं. These 5 people, I like all of you. I think you should meet each other." There are millions and millions of ways to add value in someone's world.
And it may convert into a business later on or not. That's
It will, but it just will not in a linear line.
yeah.
देखो, बहुत सारे लोग हैं दुनिया में जो बुरा मान के बैठे हैं कि मैंने उसकी मदद करी जब उसको जरूरत थी, लेकिन जब मेरी जरूरत थी उसने मेरी मदद नहीं करी.
मैंने भी कुछ लोगों का बुरा माना हुआ है.
माना हुआ है ना?
हाँ, हाँ.
ठीक है, तो आपकी बात कर.
This is human, I think.
ओके, ठीक है, दे लो तसल्ली खुद को. ठीक है, तो इसका तो आपने बुरा माना है.
हाँ.
लेकिन क्या आपके साथ हरमनदीप ऐसा हुआ है कि कभी किसी ऐसे व्यक्ति ने आके आपकी मदद करी जिसके लिए आपने पहले कुछ नहीं करा?
This year has been full of miracles like
How did
this.
that happen and why are you not offended on that?
I keep questioning that. कि how can it be so good?
It is good because you've helped other people. यही तो कर्म का सिद्धांत है. Go to any ancient literature, read Gita, read Ramayana, read anything. ठीक है, आप मॉडर्न बुक्स पढ़ लो, कोचेस की बुक पढ़ लो, कुछ पढ़, हर सब में ये लिखा है.
हाँ.
अच्छा करो, अच्छा होगा.
Of course.
लेकिन आपने कंडीशन बना रखी है कि मैंने अगर तेरे लिए करा है तो तुझे ही मेरे लिए करना है. ऐसा कोई रूल ही नहीं है. राइट? कर्म का सिद्धांत कहता है जैसा करोगे वैसा मिलेगा. ये नहीं कहता कि जिसके लिए करोगे उससे मिलेगा. वो आपने अपने आप टांग रखा है. उसके बाद अपनी ईगो को आप नशा दे रहे हो बुरा मना के कि यार मैंने उसके लिए करा, उसने नहीं करा. लेकिन जब किसी ऐसे व्यक्ति ने आपकी मदद करी जिसके लिए आपने कुछ नहीं करा, आपने उसे क्वेश्चन भी नहीं करा, नहीं लेते ना उसकी हेल्प. अगर आप वहां बोलते कि नहीं मैंने तेरे लिए कुछ नहीं करा है इसलिए मैं तेरे से हेल्प नहीं लूंगी, तो मैं मानता. वो लोग कहां से हेल्प दे रहे हैं? यहां से दे रहे हैं. कर्म है, घूम के आता है. ऐसे होता है.
Okay, Paritosh, so that was quite an intense conversation we had. Can we do some quick rapid fire
All
for
right,
our audience?
fire well. Let's do. Yeah,
Okay, I'll keep it short. So, what do you prefer, networking or building relationships?
building relationships
Networking with yourself or with others?
with myself first. Without that, nothing happens.
So, would you prefer networking with powerful people or networking with people who can work for you?
Both. They both play their own important roles in my journey, my success.
Okay, learning by yourself or being coached?
Learning by myself.
Okay, and do you prefer networking events or after work parties?
Events. I don't go to parties. I can't survive. I'm not social guy. Events is good.
But for the audience, what should be the preferred?
I think it's personality dependent, right? I am an introvert despite the work that I do. Right? I'm the kind of person who wants to be left alone. मेरे को अगर कोई शादी में बुलाता है तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है मैंने उसके साथ कुछ गलत किया, वो बदला लेना चाह रहा है, ठीक है? So I'm not the kind of person who can leave me in a day, a conference, hundreds and thousands of people. I have no problem. But going to events, parties, etc., that's not my game, right? I think people need to figure out what works for them. Right? जैसे introverts जो होते हैं, वो recharge solitude में करते हैं. Extroverts get charged when they meet more people. So it depends upon the kind of personality one has. There's no right or wrong. In fact, for any of the questions that you've asked, I've answered them for my preference, right? But if you talk about networking or relationship building, if you go back to your question, I'm at a stage where relationship building is now more important than networking for me. But if you're talking about an early stage entrepreneur, probably networking is as important as relationship building for them. Okay? So, हर चीज का context है. And this is the most important thing that we have to understand in our growth, in our journey, that you can't watch a video on YouTube, on Instagram, and just believe that's your reality. You have to contextualize it. This is a mistake that most people are making. उसने ये बोला था, ठीक है? मैंने उसको ये बोलते सुना है, वो बड़ा सक्सेसफुल पर्सन है, उसने ये बोला है. वो बड़े सक्सेसफुल पर्सन ने अपने कॉन्टेक्स्ट से बोला है. अगर आप में उसमें अभी जमीन आसमान का फर्क है, the context matters. And this is anybody who's wanting to learn, grow in the journey, this is one of the biggest things that you have to learn. Watch good content, but please try and understand the context behind that too. मैंने आपको अपने context में लिया, किसी के लिए अलग हो सकता है.
So this was quite a masterclass for me. There are a lot of learnings, takeaways that I'm going to have from this conversation. But if you have to leave me with one quick bite, just say 30 seconds reel ka concept hai, so one quick bite which I can carry with me for any networking event or any communication I'm going to have in the future, what will that be?
Right. Just hold an intention of building a valuable network, not a transactional network. एक stage है, transaction जरूरी है, करो. But आपकी success जो है life में will be defined by the kind of people you surround yourself with. It is research, it is established, it is proven. Right? Networking करने की बजाय network build करना शुरू करो. That is one of the biggest things you can do. Ask yourself, what kind of people, if I surrounded myself with and built genuine relationships with, my success would automatically happen. Answer that on a piece of paper and go build relationships with those people.
Well, I think you're leaving me with a lot of learnings and I need my own time to absorb this. But thank you so much for
My pleasure.
doing this.
Absolutely.
Especially because you didn't know me at all and still you took out time to come
Happy
to
to be
this
here.
podcast. This means a lot and
Done.
I'll always have this conversation very special to me.
Absolutely. I'm glad to hear that. Thank you for having me. बहुत मजा आया. It's you asked some very direct questions. I think they're very relevant questions and a lot of people are not asking. So thank you. Kudos. You're doing a good job. And I'll get you introduced to some right people.
I will look forward to that. Thank you so much.
My pleasure.